You can build your class page by adding widgets. Widgets are little sections. For example, I have a banner on this page, I have a blog, I have course information. I'm going to show you how to add those. So what you want to do is open up the class page that you are going to edit. So I'm going to start with a blank one. All right, you can see there's nothing on the screen. I'm going to click Edit Page, and then you're going to see a list of widgets over here. And the future slides will explain those. But to get widgets in, you simply click and drag them in. And there's a banner widget. I'm going to add my class information. I'm going to add a blog. I'm going to add a place where they can submit assignments. All right, and you can see I'm building by just clicking and dragging. And that's it. And when you're all done, it saves automatically. In a future presentation, I'll show you how to edit those widgets.